Sharing your creativity is easy when your Pinterest account is public. Here's how to open up boards and pins to reach a wider audience. Go ahead and open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your profile page, you will see two different sections of created and saved. Tap on saved section. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. From the settings page, tap on profile visibility, that is between account management and home feed toner. Now you'll see the option of private profile and search privacy. If you've enabled the private profile section, go ahead and untoggle this option, which will turn off the private profile and search privacy, and your account will be public. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.